Hey, so I got a leak. So underneath here, this is my CV axle. So it goes into the differential, and then you can see just how gnarly it is. This is loose. This shouldn't be loose. And that's what's failing. There's a seal in here. I need to get this taken care of because winter is coming. And four-wheel drive is important. And yeah, so this leak needs to get taken care of big time. And this whole project is definitely out of my wheelhouse. If I had a lift, maybe in another car, that would be cool, but I don't. So, but anyway, what I'm gonna do, since I have to drive it, today is Monday, I'm not gonna get it until Thursday, and on Thursday they're gonna keep it for a while, so we're gonna be riding bikes for a while. But anyway, I also want them to check the oil pan, but the oil pan doesn't look like it's leaking all that bad. It's pretty much this guy. So we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna unscrew this bolt. I'm gonna fill it up with the gear oil, and then we're gonna move on from there. We'll wipe some stuff down, not too much, because I want the techs that are working on it to see the leaks. I don't want to like hide that stuff. But anyway, that's how that's going. Hey, buddy. Oh my God. Well, he's like, hey, man, what the hell? He don't like it. It's hot out right now. He's like, he's a good boy. Okay. Basically, what I'm doing is wasting $20. We're going to just squeeze it on in here. Okay, when you do. All right, everything is in there how I want it. I'm going to put my skid plate back on. Loosely hang your bolts. Oh, I lost the other one. Oh! Are you okay? It's hard hat area only. Oh my God, it should be a lot easier now. There. Alright guys. That's it. Okay. Alright, everything's in there and the truck's gonna be able to be ready to go for the for its checkup and its repair. I got everything that I needed to get filled up. I feel a little bit better about driving it now for the next 2 days. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to go camping this week, but next week it's going to be awesome. I got so much fun stuff planned, and I mapped out a really cool spot. My dog Wally, who's probably inside the air conditioning right now, and I have a haircut to go get tomorrow. That's why I have to drive. Well, I gotta drive far. And doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. I'm basically stuck at home. So we're gonna take care of stuff that I needed to take care of at home. One of the things was the green tent. Remember this thing? I've had this thing for more than 10 years. This is a really great budget tent. You guys have seen it in my videos. It's gone snow camping. This a long time ago was actually even ran over by a little kid that was riding a four-wheeler on a camping trip. But anyway, I noticed on my last camping trip that one of the tent pole stakes was starting to kind of like de-splice, I guess, if that makes any sense. Anyway, it was bending funny, and I noticed that the fibers started coming off on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna repair the tent stakes to the lightweight Dome Ozark Trail tent that I've had forever, and we're gonna breathe some new life into it. Once they start to split, they get the little fiberglass shards can go in your, and it hurts. I don't like it. But anyway, so this was the one that was split. It bent all funny or whatever, so I marked it with some blue tape. And the process is pretty simple. You go buy yourself a repair kit. The only bummer is these tent poles, they're usually different sizes. So this thing's a lot longer than the one that we're replacing, so we're gonna have to cut it. Pull apart. Well, get yourself some slack, right? And then clamp. Hold the clamp on there. All right, look out, guys. Where's Wally at anyway? It's got dirt all in it. All right, I guess you gotta clear the dirt out first. That's a good idea. It's been a couple of years. Look at that. Hey, there we go. Okay. Expose the wire, and then with your third hand, grab some scissors. Yeah. Woo. Happy choppy. Okay, I'm gonna pull that out. Beak. And then we can just, whoa! All the string fell out. That's funny. All right, next. Okay, so this is the broken one, and this is the one that's all splintered up right around where the blue tape is. Always save these. These are good things to save. But anyway, what I need to do is I need to take our new one, or the one that I've had for a long time with the kit that I bought, and we need to make this the same size. So you can get a tape measure if you want to get really nerdy, but we're gonna eyeball it. Doesn't gotta be exact. I mean, unless you want to get all exact about it, if you're all an exactor. Okay, and then if you can use a hacksaw, you can use whatever cutting method that you prefer or have. We're gonna go ahead and do the Dremel. And I'm just going to take a little bit of a sandpaper that I got laying around and just kind of clean up the edges a little bit. String in the hole. This can get tedious. Where's, oh, there we go. Okay. Pull the string out as much as you can get without breaking it. Get your clamp, your tape, your friends, your dog. Where's Wally anyway? Ah. What's up, Inspector? What are you doing? We're back in action. No jinx. Do you guys ever do projects and you think, oh, it'll only take like 20 minutes, and end up like going back to Home Depot 3 or 4 times? Take all day? Yeah. Oh! Damn it! Oh man, I just got on that. You mother. Let's try that again. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, this thing's too small. I'm gonna have to replace that. Shoot. All right, that's okay. We can do it. Okay, so the collar on the new one didn't fit. It was too small. So we're gonna need to save. We're gonna need to rescue this one off of the old busted one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a vise like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and give it a little persuasion here. Persuasion. Yeah, you can see the difference. Yeah, we're making it work though. We're rescuing the green tent. I got more tents. I do. I love tents. I got a lot of tents. The Montana, I got the Montana 8. It's huge. The thing's rad, man. I love that thing. It's big old waterproof. It's fun. And then I got backpacking tent. I got the Big Agnes. I bought the, let's see, but 2 years ago I think I got the Big Agnes ultralight 3-person. I needed a bigger 3-season for me and Wally because he kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And as you guys know, every time they say a 2-man backpacking tent, you could barely fit 2 men, if not 2 smaller people in one of those tents. So I ended up getting the 3-person, and it's the perfect size. What was I doing? Oh, okay, right. Fixing this. Okay, hold on to the string this time. Whew. Oh, wait. Hold. Clamp. Okay, last one. We'll see how long it takes me to do this one. Let's stick it in there. My air conditioner just shut off. Dude, it's like 11:30 at night, and it's seriously like 80-something degrees in the valley right now where I'm at. It's hot. I can take the heat. I don't like the heat. What I really don't like is the air conditioner bill. Okay, now we're at the very end. And at the very end, what you do is you just tie a little knot. Well, first I'm gonna safety clamp that, because One wrong move and you're gonna be doing it all over again. So you do a little, I think this is just the overhand knot. And then I'm gonna do 2 overhand knots. All right, guys, there you have it. We breathe a little more life into the old green tent. That'll work.